Good morning, traders. Ala Peters on January 3rd. Happy New Year, everyone. It's my joy and pleasure being with you. May 2018 be incredibly abundant in every sense of the way. So please take a look on this day trading chart and please remember, every single level in front of you is proprietary Fibonacci level. Proprietary Fibonacci strategies I developed in 2008 and been teaching to traders from beginner to hedge fund traders since 2011. Traders who trade stocks, ETFs, options, futures, Forex. Traders who have account from few $1,000s to hedge fund managers who trading accounts, 7-8 figure accounts in US, abroad, Middle East and Europe. So, if you are a day trader, please pay attention to this chart. This is a chart that's been present in the trading room since early December. This is proprietary Fibonacci levels that show you incredibly clearly. If you know the rules, if you learn the strategies taught in the live course, if you know how crucial this support is, you had been acquiring market at this support as a day trader. This is the levels that have been present in the trading room since early December. This is the levels in a play when I was gone for holiday vacation that were reached in second week in December as well as reached currently. Brand new historical high in a play in front of you. As you can see, absolute chaos and panic at these levels. Absolute non-stop pullbacks. Is this the morning S&P will create brand new historical high? No matter what time frame you trade, no matter if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15-minute chart, this is your critical chart. This is a chart you use for all of your day trading decisions. This is a chart you can convert to 5, 10, 15, and any chart that reminds you. Do not enter into resistance where S&P had been sitting for weeks. Buy at support. So, if you are a day trader using this strategy, identical strategies that you are using for your long-term investment decisions. Weekly chart is my favorite chart of all times. Weekly chart is a chart I use when I work with institutions. This is a chart that's been present in the trading room for years. Please pay attention. 2013 S&P 1600 reversal zone trend inception. 2015 reversal zone is present, trend inception. 2016 bullish rally takes off and takes a massive pause at decision point 1. Key Fibonacci resistance, end of minor trend is broken, bullish rally takes off. So this is very important moment in your trading. You don't have to be a day trader. You utilize everything you learn in the course for your long-term investment decisions. As I've been telling you for the last 2 years, this bullish rally is breathtaking. You know the rules, you know the strategies taught in the course, you're along the markets, as students are, as we're discussing with students every morning. So, bullish rally remains in a progress, institutional support in a play. Are you long the markets? Do you know where to enter, where to exit the positions? It's not about just day trading, it's about your long-term investment decisions. As once again you're witnessing Fibonacci levels, Fibonacci strategies identified years in advance in a play currently. Chart present in the room since 2013, in a play right now. May remain in a play for years to come. This is S&P and this is gold. Chart present in the room for years. Do you remember gold in 2016? Do you remember collapse on gold from reversal zone? Joseph, fund manager who is here this morning, had been acquiring position on gold at this area in December 2016. Have you done that with your investment decisions? This is where gold skyrocketed to and reversed from down to this support. Identical strategy as in your day trading decisions. So, let's go back to day trading and let's remember. Institutional bias remains firmly bullish. Key Fibonacci class, Friday and Monday. price stuck at brand new historical highs, extreme caution traders, as we discussed with students well before trading room open. How you use the strategies on what instruments, what time frames, absolutely up to you. Separating correction from reversal is everything. Market in pain. Despite brand new historical highs, absolutely no shorts are present. And as I constantly warn you for the last 2 years, every single short you're trading against institutions. Institutional orders are long. Knowledgeable trader only looks to take long positions in this market. Knowledgeable trader waits for powerful pullbacks. Knowledgeable trader understands if you trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute chart and you trade with institutions, you are always on the right side of the market. As this is what we discussed with students. Buyers in charge, brand new historical highs in front of you. No surprise whatsoever, none. Expect to see 2800. The fact is, you must know where to enter, you must know where to exit, you must know the rules before you ever place a trade. So, trade with institutions and never ever against them. And that's the key strategy rules in the course. As I will also remind to you on Thursday when we will be witnessing oil news. Remember this in 2016 when my bias on oil was firmly bullish? Remember how much oil struggled at famous Fibonacci resistance 55 for over a year? Key Fibonacci level for very clear reason that I chose very bright pink as I worked at Johns Hopkins Psychiatry, witnessing the impact of colors on human brain and decision-making process. Never ignore this level. This is the most important Fibonacci level ever. End of minor trend 55 level, currently key Fibonacci resistance. And as I stated since 2016, don't be surprised to see oil in this area very soon. But again, knowing where to enter, knowing where to exit your position, you must know the rules. Being a follower, never a good idea. Being a knowledgeable trader, being price action trader, being indicator free trader is a key. So, massive news on S&P in 20 minutes. Absolutely no surprise where buyers came from. Most important rule you learn in the course, in a play as we speak. Love what I see. As we discussed with students for the last 2 years. 2800 is next. So, those who are shorting the markets at brand new historical highs do not know market structure whatsoever. Market is unstoppable, market is breathtaking. The only thing that can stop this market is nuclear war and Trump's impeachment. Those two massive news that can crush this market. Any kind of war on US territory and Trump's impeachment. Otherwise, this market is unstoppable. This market is breathtaking. This rally is nowhere near being over. And that remains the key. And that is constant. Clear on that? So, this is a chart present in the room for years. This is where market heading to next. So here's the third trade of new year, and once again we are on the right side of the market, and once again I warned you, it is incredibly aggressive trade and it's absolutely essential and crucial to understand. Market continue creating brand new historical highs, institutional bias remains firmly long. As I stated since 2016, as I continue warning you, as you're witnessing 99% of all trades bullish. Knowledgeable day trader trades with institutions, never against institutions. 2704 is key Fibonacci target, no matter what chart you trade. This is the time you move your stop outside of break even. Next target 2705. Trade is not on 1 minute chart. I converted the trade to 1 minute chart so you can witness the accuracy of the method. It is exact same identical strategy in a play on any chart. Take a look on Goldman Sachs. Identical strategy. Goldman Sachs currently at reversal zone, been in massive pain the entire 2017. S&P reached reversal zone. Shock or not. Key target. Trail very carefully. Next target 2706 and a quarter. You don't have to wait for days, weeks and months to witness the accuracy of the method. You see it instantly in front of you daily. It's exact same target you saw on FedEx. All of these trades are from students who are in the course. Do you remember FedEx and the importance of decision point 2? Identical level. Do you remember how much FedEx collapsed in 2017 from decision point 2? Where's the FedEx now? Same place as 1 minute chart on S&P. It's all the same formula. The only difference, risk management and your account size. Do you want to be a day trader? Do you want to trade FedEx? Do you want to trade oil? Do you want to trade gold? Choice is yours. Are you surprised price is struggling at reversal zone? Should not be. Do you remember Apple? Look at that. Do you remember horrific earnings of 2016? My bias is bullish. Chart present in the trading room for years. No surprise whatsoever. Did you buy Apple despite horrific earnings at 94? Where is Apple now? What is happening here? Do you understand price action rules? Do you understand that Apple gone through massive correction? There was no reason to short Apple when there was very good reason to short Apple in 2015 as I spoke at hedge fund convention. Despite spectacular earnings, was no reason on the planet to short Apple this year. Look at that. Identical Fibonacci levels. Look at S&P. You don't have to wait for weeks, months, and years to witness the accuracy of the method. Reversal zone is reached. S&P retraces. That's exactly the reason I named this level reversal zone. Exact same thing that happened on Apple, happening on S&P. Exact same strategy. No surprise. Reversal zone is reached. Why in the world would you ever acquire position at reversal zone? By the time you come to reversal zone, you are in profit. You're trailing carefully. You never ever place a random trade. You're not a clueless follower. You are a knowledgeable trader. You respect yourself and you do not succumb to instant gratification. You know, this is trading jungle. You know how you pass the test. How you respect the most important rule you learn in the course is everything in your trading. And that's what I teach each and every day. So ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to join us in the course just started. In the course we have beginner traders, we have retirees in Florida, we have traders from few $1,000 account to hedge fund managers to hedge fund traders who trading 7-8 figure accounts. All the classes are live. Group course is 8 weeks, private mentoring 16. Group course included in private mentoring. Modules are only supplemental. You learn proprietary Fibonacci strategies, you learn proprietary Fibonacci tool you can never learn anywhere else. Key classes on Monday and Friday. I meet with students before market open, Monday through Thursday, we analyze what to expect in the market. Psychology is the key in the course. In private mentoring, I work with you one-on-one. I log in into your computer, you log in into mine. We concentrate on the instrument of your choice. We work on your platform via Skype and TeamViewer. I highly encourage you listen to students on the website and see what they trade. As students, trade any instrument that exists, from ETFs to stocks to options to Forex, from beginner traders to hedge fund trader, trading the method in US and globally. I live and breathe what I do, and I remind you daily. Knowledge is power in everything you do. Do not be the follower, be the leader. Know the rules, place a trade. This was not reversal, this was only correction. Trail placed in proper place. Key Fibonacci support respected. 1 minute chart doing exact same thing as Goldman Sachs. Look at that. Identical formations. No collapse past this level. Identical structure on S&P. Key moment, traders, not the place to enter. And that's the reason trail is so close. Do you see? That's the reason I named this level reversal zone. Never ever ever enter position in this area. Expect reversal or correction. Trail very, very carefully. Each and every day, each and every time, the same exact formula. And that remains constant. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. And that's what you're witnessing plays out on S&P at reversal zone. Picture perfect reminder. Speculation will never work. The only thing that's constant in life is knowledge. If you ever have any questions, never hesitate to contact me. Information posted on the website. Click on Contact Us. info@fibinstitute.com 925-257-4298. Always look forward to hearing from you. And always remind you, knowledge is power. Never acquire position at Fibonacci reversal zone. Ever.